Suspect down. Suspect down.
Talk to high ground. Entry team, suspects have taken refuge and are refusing to cooperate. Move in, remember your ROE, and secure the area.
Talk, Jackson here. Civilian down, injured but alive.
Talk reporting. Copy, clean house and we'll take them out.
Hands in the air, now!
Yo,
On the floor! Hands up! On your knees! Get down! Talk. Jackson here. Suspect down.
This is Talk.
Get down or I'll
Roger
put you
that.
down!
Continue with your mission.
All clear. Jackson, it's clear. Hang in there. No hard feelings.
I know them from somewhere.
Element, restrain civilian.
Talk to Element. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
On the floor! Jackson reporting. Suspect dead.
Talk to entry team. Copy that, entry team. Notifying morgue.
Talk, Jackson here. Contact has complied.
Talk reporting. Roger. Trailers inbound.
Police! Hands in the air! Talk, Jackson here. Suspect neutralized.
Talk reporting. Roger that, entry team. Tag him and keep moving.
We need help.
Police!
Hands
Get
up.
down now! Element, victim down.
Talk to entry team. Roger, entry team. Notifying medical.
Hands in the air now!
Why are you arresting me?
Jackson reporting. Civilian complied.
Talk to high ground. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
I just want to go home.
Talk, Jackson here. Civilian restrained.
Talk to Element. Roger, trailers inbound.
Talk. Jackson here. We have a DOA looks unarmed.
Talk to entry team. Talk copies all. Proceed with your mission.
Hands up! On your knees! Get down or I'll put you down! On the floor! Element, suspect killed.
This is Talk. Roger, entry team. Notifying medical.
Don't worry, we've got it under control.
What the fuck? Go after them, not me.
Jackson reporting. Civilian secured.
Talk to entry team.
You'll get through this.
Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
What the fuck? Go after them, not me.
Talk. Jackson here. Civilian zipped.
Talk to high ground. Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.